Architects' 8 crazy ideas for future cities. In the environment of worsening weather, natural disasters, rising sea level, and rising living costs, every industry has begun to rethink the global lifestyle. The top priority is to find alternatives to existing life systems, which should be energy efficient, self-sustainable, and able to adapt to the growing population density and food demand. Architects have been imagining the main challenges to cities in the future and trying to solve these problems through some architectural concepts. Some people have proposed a huge vertical city, some people have studied the environment to promote people's contact, and others have carried out conceptual design for floating island cities. The following 8 cases are architects' exploration and imagination of future urban and architectural construction. There is still hope for the future of urban prosperity. 1. Smart city/void obvious architects. This is a comprehensive building combining commercial, residential, industrial, and agricultural functions. The building creates artificial hilly terrain, and the sloping shape combines with terraces that can be used for urban agriculture. The upper part is residential space, and the lower part is commercial area. These spaces are only located at the edge of the mountain to ensure that they receive natural light and ventilation. Because of this, the hollow core has made a lot of space for green industrial functions. In addition, a long funnel extending along the center rises out of the building to collect rainwater and accommodate solar panels that can be connected to the grid. 2. Vertical forest city/Luca Cursi architects. Luca Cursi architects learned that excessive population density will be one of the important problems we need to solve. So we designed this vertical city, which can accommodate 200,000 people and create an environment conducive to healthy lifestyle. The plan also broke the concept of suburb and established a more diversified and interconnected community. The 4 conical buildings in the complex have a maximum height of 300 floors and are connected with nature. The plan includes a residential building and 3 other commercial, institutional, and administrative buildings. It also includes agricultural and food production space to ensure self-sustainability. 3. Shibuya Hypercast. 2/Noise. This futuristic tower is divided into 5 parts, each representing a different region. Each part is separated by a bubbly green area, which can be used to produce food throughout the year. In order to ensure a better quality of life, the company also included hotel and health-based functions in the plan. For Floating City/Hermann Kampt and Associates. This futuristic city is a beautiful vision of a world ravaged by problems due to climate change. Hermann Kampt and Associates envisioned an amphibious city that could become a refuge for those who left their homes due to rising sea levels and harsh weather conditions. The modular floating city can accommodate about 50,000 people. Considering sustainability, the block combines renewable energy and efficient recycling and waste management systems. The different buildings on the island include administrative, cultural, research, sports, education, and entertainment functions. 5. Pedestrian city/void obvious architects. The overall plan of the proposal is a long strip with space for work, entertainment, and rest. These street areas are interwoven with traffic or pedestrian route layers along the intersection mode. In order to encourage a healthy and sustainable lifestyle, the studio has integrated several bicycle routes and parking spaces. Architects also tried to introduce cultural education by introducing floating art exhibitions, theaters, and libraries. Other elements of the plan include conference space, sunbathing platform, amusement park, and urban farm. 6. Organic city/Skiaverlo architects. This organic city is conceived as a huge spherical block, which draws inspiration from the turret of traditional Russian architecture and converts it into the interpretation of futurism. It serves about 10,000 residents and provides entertainment space. Private and public green spaces are scattered throughout the area, and elevators and escalators are placed along vertical curves. Connecting the whole idea is a diamond-cut shell designed to collect solar energy through photovoltaic cells. 7. Logistics city/JDS architects. JDS Architects hopes to make green space the focus of architecture. They achieve this goal by integrating green landscape in the tower. These green layers continue to exist in the whole building with mountain patterns. Light and wind reach the inner core of the building through the large incision of the outer contour. There are also large turbines in these cavities to generate wind energy and make them self-sustainable. 8. Future city/Fodran architecture. The future city is set in 2108. At that time, the biggest challenge we may face is to provide food for the population. This concept aims to become a model city for sustainable development. Here, agriculture becomes part of the urban landscape through vertical agricultural systems and the use of renewable water and renewable energy. The agricultural center will be positioned as the key node of the overall circulation, making food distribution easier, faster, and more cost-effective.